Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for a talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。And it's time for a nursery rhyme. How about that? 我们今天应该来一个童谣吧？
好，
好
我是找一个比较像三字经，三个字这样子。
三字经吓死人了！我以为你要干什么？
不是骂人的三字经。
是 So what is it?
我们今天要介绍的叫做三树肉。
三树咯，三树是什么？三鼠吗？
不是，是蟾蜍。
哦，蟾蜍
就是那
哦
个，皮皱皱的，看起来很可怕那种。
对对对对。Oh, it's about a ugly toad. 好，这个蟾蜍怎么样？
三樹路，個個個，做乜雞？個個個，無頭鼠，無老婆，烏鴉狗作烏手，做乜雞作烏手，無頭鼠，做雞作牛狗。
哦，go go go， 这个 go 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 应该是在讲那个蟾蜍的那个，
对，就是模仿就学那个
声音，
对对，蟾蜍的叫声。
对 ，All right. So this is a nursery rhyme that starts off with a story of a toad. So the toad 就 go 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 makes that noise. 然后第二句你说走马该 ，right? Go 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 就为什么还在叫 ，right? 然后呢，第三句呢？
第三句就是某头鼠，就是没有读书，所以没有老婆。
哦，你说这只蟾蜍吗？
是，
一个比喻就对了 ，OK？
对了。
So this is a cautionary tale about this toad who is ugly and lazy, and without studying, he has no wife and maybe no life as well, 然后这是第一段嘛，那第二段呢？
第二段是乌鸦狗作乌手，就是形容一种鸟，叫做乌鸠。
乌鸠，
对
，OK. So this is like another story of another animal, which is a king crow, right?乌鸠，
因为它全身黑的嘛，所以我们就形容它穿着像黑色的蓑衣。
哦，对对对对对 ，That's right. The king crow is actually all black. It's also known as the black drongo. And so when you see it, it looks like it's in a wardrobe that's entirely in black. 然后后面这句呢？
中马该照五手，就是为什么要穿黑色衣服呢？因为某头鼠没读书呢，就要当个放牛的。
All right. Again, kind of a cautionary tale one more time, but this time using a black crow or a king crow rather to describe the situation. He has nothing to do. He's just wearing his black wardrobe, doing nothing, and being very lazy. So kids, you have to work hard, okay? Don't turn into a toad or one of these black king crows, all right? And there you have it. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.